Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Abdullah Siddiq from Visualsoft. I would like to welcome you and give you a tour on how to download and install InnovBase on your computers. InnovBase is a new generation of software development technology which was designed, developed and patented by Visualsoft. InnovBase is super flexible. It enables its users to build their own enterprise resource planning ERP system on the fly and start using it on the spot. InnovBase requires SQL Server database engine be installed on your server, and you can use the free version SQL Server Express. Let's begin installation now, but first we need to know what type of Windows we have, 64-bit or 32-bit. To do so, we need to look at the system properties. This Windows is 64-bit. Serve the web for SQL Server 2012 R2 Express. Go to Microsoft site and install it. Preferably download SQL Server Express with tools. Download, select 64-bit edition. We will need to install Download Manager. Start installation of SQL. Select New Installation. Accept license terms. Next. Determine instance name, Visualsoft for example. Select mixed mode and determine a password for System Administrator SA. After SQL Server installation is completed, go to Visualsoft.net site. Select Download, then Products. We notice that we have two InnovBase Cloud editions. First one is full version, which contains server tools and development tools, which both will be installed on the server. The second one is the light version, which will be installed on client computers for normal users. We will install now the full version, which is 50 megabytes in size, where the light version is about 20 megabytes. Click Install. Now InnovBase is installed and we find its icon on the desktop and we launch it. Look for servers on your network and select Visualsoft. Select programming mode and type in the username SA and enter the password. Select a new database and call it test, for example. A message is displayed saying this database is not registered for InnovBase. Would you like to register it? Select yes. Another message is displayed saying to log in programming mode, you have to create at least one user with SQL authentication. Would you like to create it now? Yes. Create a new user, admins for example. Assign a password. Save. We are required to confirm the password. Close. Now InnovBase is open. Try to close it and log in again with the new user we have just created. Admins, password. Because this is the first login for this user, he is asked to change the password. To know if this copy of InnovBase is licensed or not, go to System and click About. This information is displayed. This copy is valid for 500 fields in every database. This new database contains 484 fields for the system on use. However, this copy is not licensed. Kindly send this information to Visualsoft to purchase license. Click on Send by email. An email message is automatically created with the needed information and you only need to click Send. You can also purchase a license from Visualsoft.net by online. You can always contact me by email if you have any questions, and I will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.